Hey there, I recently came across the website for Phantom Hire, and I noticed they had a pretty cool interaction when a user hovers over the button. As you can see, the border slides in and out. So I thought that'd be a pretty cool interaction to try to recreate in Webflow. So what I did is I mocked up a quick hero section, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can recreate it real quick. So in my hero section, I'm going to wrap my button inside of a div. And I'm going to name that div button wrap. And in that button wrap, I'm going to set it to inline block, so it hugs the entire button, and I'm going to set the position to relative. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop in a div, and I'm going to name this div horizontal. And I'm going to set the position to absolute to the top left. And I'm going to set the width to 100%. And since I'm using M units, the wizardry method, I'm going to set the height to 0.07 m, which is equivalent to 1 pixel, or 1 pixel if you're using a 1440 artboard. So that's how I have it memorized. And I'm going to set the color to navy, same navy I'm using throughout the website. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this horizontal div. I'm going to give this duplicate one a combo class of bottom. And I'm going to adjust the position of this one to the bottom right. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop in another div in the button wrap. And this one's going to have a class of vertical. We're going to set it to absolute to the top left. I'm going to set the width to 0.07 m and the height to 100%. Make the color navy. And I'm going to duplicate that vertical div. Give the duplicate a combo class of vertical right. And set that position to the bottom right. So now that I have my border set up, I'm going to do the interaction. So I'm going to go to my button wrap. And I'm going to do a mouse hover interaction. I'm going to start a new animation. I'm going to name it mouse hover. So I'm first going to target my horizontal div. Just the horizontal div, not the combo class, the one without the combo class. And I'm going to set up a size animation, set the initial state to 100% width, and set the end state to 0% width. And easing of out court, and a 1 second duration. And now I'm going to target the vertical div. So for the initial state of the vertical, I'm going to set the height this time to 100%. And the end state to 0% height. Out court. 1 second. And that will give us something like this. And now it's time to do the mouse hover out. So we're going to save this. Now mouse hover out, we're going to start animation. Name it hover out. Target the horizontal div. Set up a size. And we're going to set this one back to 100% width. Out court. 1 second. And then we're going to target the vertical size. This time we're going to go back to the height, 100%. Out court, 1 second. And that will give us something like this. And there it is. And then if you want to tidy up your layers, you can drop in another div. name this one hover, and put all of the divs into that wrapper, and it'll still work. So there it is. Thanks for watching.